So you might be trying to figure out how you can enable, disable, or change your two-factor authentication options inside of your Facebook account. Now, doing this is very basic and it really doesn't take too much time. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over into your Facebook application. And then you'll come into this page. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically make your way over and scroll down until you find this panel that says Settings and Privacy. So all you're going to want to do is click on the Settings and Privacy option, and then click on Settings, which is right here. So then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and click on See More in Accounts Center. So click on this option, and then it's going to show you all this other information right here. Now what you want to do is right here, there's an option that says Password and Security. So all you want to do is you want to click on Password and Security right here, and then you'll see this next page come up. What you want to do is you want to click on the second option right here that says two-factor authentication. So tap on the two-factor authentication and you'll see your different Facebook accounts that you have here. All you're going to want to do is you want to choose the different Facebook account that you can basically have. So in this case, like I said, you have 3 different ones. You want to go ahead and find the one that you want to change the information with. So in this case, I can just choose on this one. And if you don't already have two-factor authentication set up, then you're going to be asked to send a request a code and all that. But if you don't, it'll ask you to set it up. And from that page, you can also change it out and do whatever else you want to with it. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.